Hi everybody, this is Sim Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach, and today we'll be talking about BMW's speed limit assist feature. There's a forward-facing camera mounted on the rear view mirror of the vehicle. Now this scans the road as you drive for speed limit signage. Before we head out on the road, there are a few buttons I'd like to point out on the steering wheel here for our feature speed limit assist. First one is this limb button, which is actually what turns on the speed limit assist feature. There's a set button which we'll be using, and there's this which I call the speed limit wheel. So while we're here parked, I'm going to go ahead and press on this limb button. You might see that it does tell us that we've activated the feature. If I hit set at this point, there's a little indicator here which goes up to 35 miles an hour, which is the existing speed limit on this road that we're on. The adjustment wheel can be used to toggle up for single 1 mile per hour increments, up or down, or full 5. If I go a full click, it's going to go up and down by 5 miles an hour. As you can see, I'm traveling 31 miles an hour right now. When I hit the limb button, it establishes that speed as my top limit, which had been 29. And so the way this limit works, I'm topped off at 29 miles an hour. No matter how much I try to accelerate, it won't go beyond that. Now with that 29 mile an hour limit, I can use my speed adjustment wheel to actually make adjustments there, as I showed you while we were in the parking lot. I'm going up by 5 miles an hour, so now I'm up to 50 miles an hour as my speed limit. The other thing I can do as I'm driving here with that set button, I can at this point hit that set button, and it actually brings me back down to the existing speed limit. So the set button as you're driving will set the top speed right back to where the existing speed limit is. Then again, I can keep making my adjustments as I go. So let me get up in speed here and see that, yep, it's kind of maxed out at 45. I hope you enjoyed our demonstration of BMW's speed limit assistant today. If you have any further questions about this feature or any other feature of our cars, feel free to reach out to us at BMW of Myrtle Beach.